Welcome to Mars International, the pioneer and future of electrical cable lugs and connectors. Founded in 1965, Mars International is the leading manufacturer and exporter of electrical cable lugs and connectors across the globe. With a vision to become a successful player in this field, Mars International has established itself with world-class manufacturing facilities for electrical terminal ends. Formed by a group of highly qualified industrialists, technically sound professionals, and with a highly experienced employee staff, having a sense of designing, manufacturing, exporting electrical components, we have become a leading, self-reliant, and a focused company aiming for excellence and success in this electrical industry. We produce a wide range of compression cable lugs and connectors made from copper and aluminium, which are specifically designed to meet the specifications of most international standards, Australian Standard, the American Wire Gauge Standard, the bimetallic cable lugs, the BS standard, the DIN standard, Ferrous, the Scandinavian standard, and so on. Our consistent innovation, improvisation, professional management, and an urge to become the #1 company in this field has made us a top-driven company against the increasing competition at Mars International. Our skilled workforce always produces and handles bulk volume of finished electrical cable lugs and connectors on a regular basis, making it possible to meet the huge requirement of our clients across the globe, helping with a majority of end users like the electrical contractors, the engineers, the control and switchboard panel makers, the manufacturers of electrical machineries and equipments such as generators, meters, electrical motors and transformers, and so on. We provide exceptional quality products, accredited and achieved with a vision to provide the right design selected for the right types of terminals needed for the client's requirements. Majority of our international customers, we continue to dedicate ourselves and our innovative skills for the good of our clients in their search for perfection. We are Mars International, the leaders and the future of electrical cable lugs and connectors for the world.